In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share pages in Confluence. Quick and simple method. By the end, you'll be able to send a Confluence page to the right people in just a few clicks. And you'll know a couple of helpful tips to keep things organized and secure. Start by opening the Confluence page you want to share. Make sure you're on the exact page you intend to send. What you see here is what your recipients will access. If you're already working inside a space or browsing recent pages, just navigate to the specific page first. Next, look toward the top right corner of the page for the Share button. It's easy to miss if you're new to Confluence, but it's usually right up there in the main toolbar. Click it to open the sharing window. In the sharing window, enter who you want to share with. You can type individual names, email addresses, or even entire groups if your organization uses them in Confluence. Groups are great when you want to share with a whole team at once, and they help you avoid missing someone. As you type, Confluence will usually suggest matches from your directory, so pick the correct people or groups from the list. If you'd like, you can add a short note to give context, what the page is about or why you're sharing it, but keep it brief and clear. When you're ready, click Send. Confluence will notify the recipients and include a direct link to the page so they can jump right in without hunting around. If they already have access, they'll be able to view it immediately. If not, they'll see limited access until permissions are adjusted. Around this point, a quick heads up. Because Confluence is a web-based tool, I've placed a direct link to the official Confluence site at the very top of the description. If you need to sign in or learn more about plans and downloads, use that link to get started quickly and safely. If you'd prefer to share the page elsewhere, maybe in an email thread, a chat, or a task, you can copy a direct link. In the same share pop-up, click Copy Link, then paste it wherever your team communicates. This is perfect for ongoing conversations or when you're updating a ticket, document, or calendar event. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Only people who already have access to the space or page will be able to view it, even if they receive the link. If you regularly share with the same team, use groups to save time and reduce mistakes. And if you need tighter control, combine sharing with page restrictions so only the right people can edit or view sensitive content. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. If this helped, don't forget to check the link in the description, and thanks for watching.